So I came down here to find some lilikoi, but it doesn't appear to be producing any anymore. So I'm gonna walk back up to the farm and give a tour of, I guess, the walk up to the farm. There's a bunch of avocados up in this right here. There's a bunch of avocados here. I collect them down here even though there's a bunch of trees up on the property. This is belladonna. Poisonous or intoxicating, depending on what you do. This tree right here has got a bunch of coconuts that are ready. And then we got some papayas back here. Hibiscus. And this tree right here is just full of mangoes. They're not quite ready yet though there's some on the ground here. I might go ahead and take one or two. That one's ready. This mango tree's got a lot of mangoes on it too. The bees really love this. This is a pomelo tree. It's got lots of pomelos. They get a lot bigger though. They're not quite ready. And here we have an orange tree. And these are pretty much ready. I made orange juice out of them earlier. There's lots of bananas. Agave. These are tangerines over here, and mandarins, and papaya. And we have another orange tree. This is Nani. Hi, Nani. And this is my room.